Giant bulldozers are among the most important heavy machinery used in construction and mining. These powerful machines, equipped with a large blade at the front, are used to push and move heavy materials such as rocks and soil. There are several types of bulldozers, including crawler bulldozers and wheeled bulldozers, which vary in size and capabilities. Let's explore the history, invention, and development of these massive machines. Who invented the giant bulldozer? The concept of the bulldozer originated in the early 20th century. The American inventor Benjamin Holt is credited with developing the first crawler tractor in 1904. Holt used tracks instead of traditional wheels to solve the problem of traction on soft and muddy surfaces, giving bulldozers incredible ability to move across rough terrains. Holt's company, Holt Manufacturing Company, which later became part of Caterpillar Inc., was key in introducing the first practical design of what we now recognize as a bulldozer. His invention revolutionized earth-moving equipment, especially in the construction and military industries. Development of giant bulldozers. Over time, bulldozers have undergone significant advancements to meet modern demands, thanks to the contributions of various companies and engineers. 1. Caterpillar Inc. Caterpillar, now one of the largest manufacturers of heavy machinery in the world, played a pioneering role in the development of giant bulldozers. After the merger of Holt and competitor CL Best, Caterpillar began producing more advanced bulldozers, including the powerful dozers we see today. 2. Komatsu. The Japanese company Komatsu has also been a leader in bulldozer innovation. They developed large-scale models equipped with advanced technologies like hydraulic control systems and GPS navigation, improving precision and efficiency in construction projects. 3. Modern technology. With the rise of robotics and artificial intelligence, companies are integrating these technologies into bulldozers. Today's bulldozers are equipped with automation systems that improve accuracy, reduce fuel consumption, and allow for remote operation, especially in hazardous areas. Key contributions to the development of giant bulldozers. Along with the efforts of major companies, many engineers and inventors have played a role in enhancing the performance of bulldozers over the years. Key innovations include hydraulic engineering. This allowed for precise control of the blade's height and angle, greatly increasing the accuracy and efficiency of bulldozing operations. Electronic control and artificial intelligence. These advancements enable remote operation and enhance performance in complex or dangerous environments. Modern giant bulldozers. Giant bulldozers are used in massive projects such as dam construction, road building, mining, and large-scale infrastructure development. One of the most famous giant bulldozers today is the Caterpillar D11, which is one of the largest and most powerful bulldozers ever made. Weighing over 100 tons, the D11 is commonly used in mining and large material moving tasks. Conclusion. The development of giant bulldozers is the result of a long history of engineering and technological innovation. Starting with Benjamin Holt's invention in the early 20th century, these machines have evolved with the help of cutting-edge technology, becoming indispensable tools in many large industries today.